Pag-usapan natin ang PhilHealth na to kasi though may mga nauna nang nagsalita about this and then even the Supreme Court deemed it is not legal to transfer
Kasi
a
may earmarked
revenue.
sa by law eh.
Mhm.
Di ba? Yung PhilHealth kasi yung mga earmarked by law na kasi yung universal healthcare yan eh. So yun yung ginamit kasi nila eh.
But what prompted them to do that? Anong law ang basis nila para i-move yung 60 how many billions of pesos?
Because nga nagdagdag sila ng letter D sa special provision ng unprogrammed appropriations.
So kung merong ganyan na additional provision, so dapat lawful yung ginawang transfer. Pero sabi ng Supreme Court, it
Kaya-
is not.
Precisely, kasi ibig sabihin, ini-invalidate nila to.
Yung 2024
Yung
special
fund balance. Itong
provision.
special provision, dapat specific. That's why yun yung kulang pa na dapat gawing unlawful itong mismong letter D na dinagdag.
When you say this special provision that was inserted during 2024 BICAM, it is only a rule inside the BICAM but it's not a law.
No, it's a law. Kasi
It's a law.
pasado to eh.
Pasado siya.
Oo, pasado siya.
I'm confused right now. So kung law na siya, it made the 60 billion transfer
Yeah, but
lawful.
somebody questioned it in the Supreme Court. It was lawful until it was questioned in the Supreme
So
Court.
anything can be lawful until
It's questioned.
It's questioned.
Yeah, kasi basta batas na siya, kasi GAA is a law.
Mm-mm.
So batas na siya. So lawful siya.
Mhm.
Until somebody questions it before the Supreme Court. That's why I'm happy somebody questioned it in the Supreme Court. At least, naging unlawful siya.
Okay. Kaya pinabalik ngayon
Yung pera.
Pero ang question ng marami doon, kung natanggal siya 2024 budget at pinababalik, yung tanong ng marami is, yung 60 billion na ba na yon na appropriate na siya sa actual projects at nagkaroon na ng disbursement? So meaning nakuha siya sa totoong budget. Kung natanggalan ka ng 60 billion pero sa PhilHealth naman siya, tapos pinasasole, sino talaga ang nagsole? Hindi ba tayo?
Hindi tayo ulit. GAA ulit yan. Binawas yan sa 2025. Kasi ginastos na yan sa program noong 2024.
Mm.
So pag ibabalik mo, then binalik mo, sa GAA mo na lang kinuha. Kasi
So,
dapat
para-
naman kasi, yung kung saan man nila ginamit, yung 60 billion, dapat kasi yun sa GAA kinuha, dun sa program. So ngayon, binawi mo ngayon sa 2025 program.
Hindi to talagang pera ng PhilHealth per se or
Pera ng PhilHealth to. Cash ng PhilHealth. Cash ng PhilHealth.
cash ng PhilHealth
Mm.
pero nagastos ngayon
Sa other
projects. Pero yung pinangbalik papunta sa PhilHealth again is budget. ng
Yeah,
bayan.
dahil taxes natin. Taxes ng mga Pilipino.
So in other words, para tayong nagisa sa ating sariling mantika. Tama ba yan?
Well, yun yung, basically, yun yung masaklap kasi doon when you use the cash, parang na hindi siya kasama sa program naman. Kasi if it was so important, why was it in the program?
May
At saka ang masakit pa nga
Okay.
dito, mas nauuna pang mapondohan yung unprogram bago sa program.
In your own opinion, based on how you define the budget cycle, how all of these unprogrammed appropriations should take place and should not take place, do you think there's merit to the complaint of Dr. Liechon about this PhilHealth transfer?
O naman. Kasi talaga hindi naman dapat na-transfer yan eh. Kasi those are earmarked revenues. Like, ulitin ko, earmarked din ng ating universal healthcare law. So it's not supposed to be used para rin siyang DAP in a sense, di ba, naging unconstitutional yung DAP. Kasi may sariling use yan eh. Pero nilipat mo yung use niya eh. Tapos saan program mo pa nilagay? Ang masama pa nun, kinuha mo, tapos dinala mo pa sa hindi nakaprogram. May nakatenga kang items, may mga program na hindi na-implement.
Mm-mm.
Pero yung perang kinuha mo sa PhilHealth, ginamit mo pa para sa hindi nakaprograma.
Mm.
There's no logic and no sense doon. Kaya kaya kami pinapatanggal talaga namin yung unprogrammed kasi una-una parang finick, parang alam mo yun, parang ginawa mo lang talaga magka-excess revenue. Kasi your target was much lower than your expected.